So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, DJ Barista Live. So for today's video, we are here at the World Trade to attend the World Trade Expo 2024. So samahan niyo kami maglibot dito. Hi daw, hi. Hey pala. Hey.
Wash.
Bago sila, Hindi pa.
There's a barista drive system technology na patented ni Kimberly that the grinder talks to the machine, and whenever you dispense coffee, yan, on demand siya, right?
Parang calibrated na sa kanila.
Yes. So, i-automatic tamper natin. Ayan. And then, the machine will tell the barista or help the barista which button to press, eliminating yung mistakes and error. So in the business perspective, as owners, importante kasi sa atin, syempre ayaw natin yung sayang na kami. Kapag mali yung napindot ni barista, napasaan na to, sayang na siya. Ito, nadi-disengage mo yung button. So that technology, yung barista drive system, helps the barista na alam na which button to press. So in a high volume, fast-paced cafe, fast-paced cafe, malaking bagay ito.
Anong beans yan?
Yun pa rin, ma'am. The red one. The SS pizza. Yeah, the one and only. Yeah. See? Look. Oh. Walang ka-effort habang nagde-demo. You can continuously prepare consistent espresso. yung parameters natin, kasi changing parameters tayo, right? Minsan mainit, so wala aircon. Minsan nasisira. Minsan, fresh yung kape masyado, those variables. This has a perfect grinding system technology, again patented by Chimbolino. The grinder adjusts, self-calibrates every 5 espresso. So, less yung worry natin as operator, as business owners, and barista. Hindi sila may stress to finding and figuring out ano yung calibration. Eliminating yung waste, mamimitigate natin yung waste, mapapawasan. Again, this is perspective. Sobrang importante sa atin na walang sayang na maghanap.
These are case of Singapore, these are peaceful berries and liquor. These of Singapore is
Parang ang ganda yung gawa ng production. Ang ganda ng pangalan.
Hindi lang siya pure, meron din siya mga botanicals. Thank you. Thank you. Bibili ba tayo dyan, ma'am?
Sobrang dami mo na doon.
Mas mapasagin ko na naman.
Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng color. Oppenheimer. See? Look at the price.
Step by step ka, starting from Manila, Guwapol, then afterwards,
Oo, sablay ako nung sa isa eh.
So, dyan ako taga-video mo, ah.
Nakaset ako tayo sa 17. 150 millimeter 5 ounce per distance. Per chance, isa nila natin yung design na binumper natin. Automatic, si grinder na mag-dose para sa inyo. After nyo mag-complete yung design na dose nyo, automatic mag-grind na lalabas siya. Same mechanics with the Malconic EK43. For ano po siya? Retention. Bago siya yung kumita ng part-time. Lalagay niyo lang po. Alright. Nice. Then, linisan lang po natin yung sides. Avoid clogging the... Dito. Like bed, as long as malak.
Liit?
Dali ka po.
Mas malaki siguro.
Kasi yung split siya, sir. Ay, naglas. Then, ito yung calibrated na profile. Kaya mag-create ng up to 6 profile per minute.
Anong Vincent?
Santos. Santos. Alright.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Diana. This is
Bulate.
Yay! Hey!
Ako naman! ito na si Master.
Si Master.
Yan, nasa Macau na eh. Ang coffee, cocktail.
Okay, kasama mo sa Makati. Sa Badalito.
Market ko na lang kayo, kaya email. Pero introhan ka na, 495 lang yan.
Good day, everyone. Now here, roaster
Let the button speak.
Good day, everyone.
How are you? Join us, join us. So we'll smell, we'll let everyone discover. You can go this way. And then we'll start to pour the hot water. Okay? Now once we pour the hot water,
I will join.
5 minutes lang. Once you pour the hot water, we have 5 minutes. 4 minutes. You have 4 minutes to smell because we're gonna steep it for 4 minutes. There'll be a crust that's on top of it. Okay? Now it's really important that we don't bump the table while it's steeping. Okay? Now the thing is, so the wet aroma is different because there is heat. So heat will start the extraction of the coffee. So what you might smell, if you smell chocolate, it might be enhanced more, right? But sometimes something else will come out that will make it something new. That's why we have to evaluate that. Alright? So let's pour. Would you guys want to help me? Alright. So I'm gonna do one. We have to pour it sort of at the same time. There? Here. You can do it. We'll fight it. Okay. So you start here. Can you start here on this side? You start here. Actually no, here. You start on this one. Then you're going to pour here. You're going to pour here. Both cups. Okay. Okay. Both cups. Okay. Now. Okay. Here na lang. So you won't bump into each other. Alright, so look, I'm gonna guide you first, huh? 1, 3, 1. You get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Just like this, man. Relax. Go. Pour. All the way to the top. Like this. There. Okay. Now do the next cup. Okay, you can pour a little bit faster. A bit more. Higher. Coffee is when you break the crust. There's going to be more aroma that's going to escape. The gas is going to escape. So when you break it, you're going to break it 3 times. You're going to put the spoon under, just halfway, right? And then you put your nose close and you go 1, 2, and 3. So when you break it, they will release that aroma and you start smelling the coffee. All right, so begin. Go. Sediment on top, okay? And we do it by this way. We call it skimming. There, okay. So one. We want to remove all that the oils on top. Because what's happening now is the coffees are at the bottom, right? We just want to remove the sediment that's on top. Okay. So you can start just removing just end to end. Okay, just end to end. And then you put the waste in the cup, and then you rinse the spoons. There you go. Here. When it's done. Alright. against with the other person. But then if you want to use this food, then don't share it.
Sharing is like very
Join us. These are the top 5 roasters from the recent Indian Flying Roasters. So the top 5, but the top 3, these are the least. There's a fan, how much air is happening. So if you have too much air, sometimes the coffee doesn't go. Because the way that when you roast coffee is that the heat has to penetrate all the way to the center. Right? Then there's sometimes there's coffee, if coffee is roasted too fast, the color is falling on the inside.
Yun ang mga taong naliligaw. Hinahanap ko lang. Busog na kami! Busog na kami! Kami muna si DJ Barista Live. Waiting sa shot. Alright, so video takeover na lang guys kasi nag-iwalay na kami nila Ma'am DJ. So I'll be showing you around with World Trade Center WAFEX. So let's go! that's all dito sa end namin sa World Trade Center, ma'am. And back to DJ Barista Live.
I'm DJ.
And so let us try the improved Jallicao. So for latte daw ito. So try natin yung bagong Jallicao sa coffee latte. So thank you, Master JR. Henry and Sans. Sakto lang.
Then available na po Nielsen Wine.
Ayan.
Nielsen Wine.
Sorry, sir?
Tara!